Okay, class. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, this one, the way we do it, everything as I mentioned to you will be bounding box. Are you watching, class?
Yes, yes.
This one, L5.3, bounding box, maximum length, maximum width, maximum height. Give me the dimension. So the first thing, okay, for the beginner, what I need to show you, you need to practice, right? You don't. That's why you don't use your TD board. We need to freely move. Okay, just a single piece of paper and by hand. Okay, you need to rotate like this one. Practice, guys. How you do accurately. First, for you, even vertical also become like this. Practice vertical also. No, practice vertical. Practice first on the blank paper, right? Practice until you get accurately paper. Even horizontal. Some of you horizontal is like this. This is not horizontal. Practice until you get you punya kind like alignment, alignment. Maintain your alignment nicely, horizontal, vertical. Practice how you do 30 degree. You said, sir, this is 30 degree. No, this is not 30 degree. This is 45. Practice until you get 30 degree. You, sir, this is 30 degree. No, this is close to 10 degree, right? 30 degree is like this. Practice to get 30 degree. Can you see? Because I'm used to it. Nampak? Can you see 30 degree? Need to practice first. No straight way do assignment, impossible. Practice first, okay? Practice first. Boleh? Right. Practice. Clear or not? You practice. Vertical. I show you again. Okay. You say I already done that. Quite okay. 2 degrees. You need practice first. That's why I'm using for H. If you do it wrong, erase it for your assignment. Yeah. This one is. Okay, you can erase it. Never mind. This is my lowest point. Okay, class. Are you watching? Okay. Ada mark ni, ada pen. Pen. Lowest point ni tunjukkan. Dapat kat corner tu lowest point. Okay, mark this one, lowest point.
I thought it's electric pencil. Wait.
Tak apalah, it's okay lah. Never. Tak apa. Lowest point. Class, are you watching? Ni wait. Lowest point, this one. This lowest point. Class, are you watching or not? Class. Lowest point. Because if you have done so much, but you are wrong orientation, too bad. Understand me? You are the wrong orientation. So make sure right first time. Okay, this one will be the lowest point. Class, are you watching me? Tepi sikit. Lowest point. Class, this is the lowest point. Okay, you punya construction, everything will be in 4H, right? 4H is construction. Practice that when you have multiple lines, okay, never mind. Because this is hand sketches, you don't have to be so perfect, right? You don't have to be so perfect. So this will be point A, your bounding box. So this one will be practice. This is 45. No, I will do it 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. And this one another. Okay, if this one 30 degree, make sure on the left also balance 30 degree. This one 30, this one 45, not good. Okay, this one also 30 degree. Practice first. What? Okay, 30 degree. So okay, this is 30 degree, right? Okay, quite good as 30 degree. Mana ni? Alright, the bounding box. What is the total? What is to your left is what is the dimension as a bounding box? You look on the orientation they have drawn. The total width berapa, class? Total width bounding box.
48 plus 17.
On the left, can you see this one? This
50.
This one, this orientation is to the left, right?
Yeah.
29 plus 14 is 43.
Yeah, 43.
43 plus 26.
43 plus 69.
43, 26,
69.
By hand.
Can we do it just 70? Cannot.
Boleh. Boleh, no problem.
Oh, boleh buat 70?
Boleh. Okay lah, pakai tangan mana boleh. Impossible lah kan. Boleh. Okay, macam mana your 10? How your 10 look like? Do not your mid 10 is too tiny kan class. You buat appropriate size. 10 is here. Boleh? Another 10, the same distance. Can you do that by hand? Your scale. 1, 2. Can you see quite equal distance, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 69 kan? 70 lah. 70. Okay, too much, too big. My scale is too big. Too big. I make it little bit narrower scale. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one, not that scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know which one. So I make a bounding box. Okay, you can rotate it. If it's crooked, make sure that it's kind like vertical. You can do it, just do it for H, right? Make sure that it's kind of, you don't have to be so perfect, beautiful. As long as you get the shape, that's the ideal. So 5 by 7, right? 5 by 7 by hand. So what is the height?
48.
48 plus 74 will
122. 122.
be 122. So using
120.
No, take 122. 122, right? This is your scale. You see your scale here? This one about the same distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 120, right? 122 is somewhere here, right? So 30 degree. Can you see 30 degree? Okay. So then 30 degree. Without this guy, you just make 30 degree, right? 30 degree. Okay. Boleh?
That's why exercise big.
Exercise first. Practice first. Right? Okay, what is the width? Width on the left?
The
50, right?
50.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 50. 50. You just practice, make sure that right. Okay, you have.
They
Okay,
are studying on their own.
30 degree.
They are the scientists. All of them.
Okay, you have the line there. You have the line there. So that will be your bounding box. Okay. Okay, the next one, then only you do detailing. Okay, since on the left. Okay, on the left, can you see the left? This is our level 70, right? So we have 26 measure from here. Can you see that? From the left, this is, we have a 26 one measure. This one is scale 1, 2, 30, right? 26 about 25. So this will be make straight like this. Okay, and we have 14. 14 this is 10, right? 10. So use the same scale. 15 is like this. Can you see the 15 is close to 14, right? You bring like that. So this will be your outline. Whatever that you see, this is the finishing outline, traced by forcing. If you have too much contrast, using whatever the outline you think this one will be the confirm will be the final outline, trace it first. So this one I know the level of 20. So now I have 26 here. Yeah, trace it. Okay, 6B. I know this one is here, but up until where? So we have need, what is the thickness here? 14, right? 14 from here. So it means from here we need another 14. So we have a 10 like this. This is a 10. This is 15, right? So the 15 story will be the level of your thickness, because the way your neck is 10 distance. You take your scale here. 10 is like this. So this half. So this is 14 is close to 15. So this will be your level where you do. This is the level you do. So this one I just bring it up. Extension. Do it like that. Okay. That now we have the height. Can you see this height? Can you see the height?
Yeah.
What's the height?
74.
74. 74 measure from the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So we already have 74. We already have a scale here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 80, 74 is here, right? Bring the extension 30 degree here. 4H, right? Are you watching or not?
Yes.
Okay, so you have that outline. Whatever you think this will be the final output, trace it as quickly as possible. You understand me?
Yes.
If you have too much construction, you will get confused. Whatever you think, okay, this will be the finishing outline, make it as 6B. So this will be 6B. 6B. Am I doing right? Right, I am. Okay. I'm on the right track. Alright, so this will be 6B. I have this corner. Right? Okay, what about here? What about here? It's a kind like S-root, right? Bring it. This is 30 degree. Bring it here. Bring it. 30 degree. Practice. 30 degree. 30 degrees. Parallel, right? And this one. Can you see this 30 degrees? 30 degrees. Are you watching? 30 degrees. There. Stop here. Then bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Make sure. Nice. This one is construction. Never mind. You make it longer. Right? So you have a guideline. If crooked, erase it. If crooked, erase it. Make sure it's kind like quite vertical. Okay? Okay, this one quite good. Okay, this line. Boleh, this line. So what about this one? I already have this one, kan? 30 degree. Bring it 30 degree. This is 30 degree, right? 30 degree. Oh, you have multiple lines, okay, never mind. 30 degree. So what about that distance here? From here to here, what is that?
50 minus 24.
From here to here, what is it?
24.
24 plus 14 is 38, right? 38 minus 50,
36.
38. So what's the balance here? 12. 12. So 12.
I did
So you
minus
cannot.
from 24.
12, you use the same scale. You understand? Your scale that you use for 10. But do not make this scale bigger. The same scale. Can you do that? Not using ruler. By hand. Transport.
Naila.
Boleh? Okay. 10. Same scale. 10. What is it? The balance 12, right? 10. This is 20, right? 12 is here. Can? 12 is here. Yeah, like that. Boleh? Then outline little bit. Sikit-sikit. Boleh? Sikit demi sikit. Boleh?
Little bit.
Sedikit demi sedikit. For your outline. This one, I just straight 30 degree, right? This at the back, I don't have to draw hidden line. Only what we can see only. Boleh? Okay, now straight up. Now straight up. Can you see the corner? You bring it. This is straight. Right? Straight. Okay, now we have up until this quadrant. What is the length?
48 divide by 2. 24, yeah.
Yeah, exactly 24, right? Exactly. So this one exactly 24. So this is the
24.
line. 24. The scale.
Yeah.
You don't, guys, do not bring this one. This one scale orientation may be different. Right? Understand me? The scale that you use is the scale.
I
Understand?
heard 30.
1, 20. Okay, this is 10. 20, 30. It's 24, right? Close to 25. Okay. Then outline it. Yeah. Outline it. Okay, the next one is the hardest part. This one, the quarter circle. The quarter circle is the hardest part. Never mind. This one kita leave it the last one, right? Kita leave it here first. Okay. Okay. Then now here. What about here? This one's solid, right? 6B, right? 6B. This one also I just erase this now. This one, bring it up. Do I bring it up? We have a slot. Be careful, we have a slot. What is the thickness up until the slot? From here to here. What is it?
24.
No, from here to here.
Yeah, see, 24.
24, right. 24.
Wow.
Use the same scale, Same scale. This one narrower, this one you make scale wider, everything will be wrong. Understand? The same scale. 1, 20, 30, 24 here, right? 24. So this will be 24, 30 degree. Okay, the scale, measure 30 degree, right? 30 degree, and then go. Okay, so outline it. Whatever you have already confirmed, yeah, 6B. 6B. What's this? This one? What's the gap?
53 minus
No, this gap.
This gap
53
53 minus 24.
29. Yeah, 29.
29. I'm not using the scale. This one scale from bottom here, right? You know, last time your scale is 1. This one you can use it. This scale is disturbing you, right? Okay. You use the same scale. What is the distance of the gap? 29, right?
29.
30. So close to 30, 29. 4H first. All the consonant 4H. 30 degree. Boleh? Eh? 30 degree. Is it difficult? I think it's quite easy, right? It's not that difficult.
It's not that difficult.
Yeah?
It's not.
Can bring it like this. No problem. What? Okay. Then bring it up. Okay, this is construction. Bring it up. Okay. Okay. Now we have the
74.
Eh?
we have this wall, right? We have that wall. So now we stop at here, right? For the start the quarter circle, but this one we have a wall. Okay. Before I make the protruding wall at this here, at the back, what it reach up until here, right? This one stop until here. I just make this one first, all right? And then, can you see this one? Can you see the one that I draw? Can you see that one? I'm now at that position.
You're drawing right now.
Yusuf.
Yusuf, to the side, please. Move to the side. They don't understand.
Move to the side.
Move to the side.
That's already started.
They already started. They are advanced.
They are advanced.
They are making scientific calculation.
Their own calculation.
So we have. Okay, we have this point. Again, this point. Okay, this point actually is here. So I just okay. I don't make it too big because I have a wall here. So I just make concept, but it stop there. Can you see that point? Can you mark that point? This point? Can you mark that point?
Mark that point.
You know what is that point here? Using mark. No.
This is the point.
No. They are on the other thing.
This is the.
That's the point, right? Okay, that's the point. Okay, here. Okay. Actually, the quarter circle, you don't care. You don't need this quarter because the quarter circle is quarter circle is a rectangle bounding of it, right? This one, make it like that, right? This one I extend it up until bring it up because this is a quarter circle. I bring it up. So what is the another distance here? This one 1, 2, 24. So you have for this one.
Yes. No, just I'm not gonna hold them.
Yeah, up until this one. Up.
I've been holding for more than 15 minutes. Rena doesn't want to. You know her.
I don't want to. They just came in. I haven't been watching.
You guys are also.
Do I need to watch? Or is it something?
Okay, this one you bring it up until 24. This is half of it.
But
One,
do you
right?
remember what the
Okay.
lecturer said yesterday on our
This is
question
10.
is easy. But
And this is
answer-
10,
he said the same.
20, 25 here, 24. Right? So this will be 24.
Drawing is difficult, but it's difficult.
He does it in 5 minutes. So we're gonna take 5 hours. Next week we'll take 5 hours.
Step here.
Stand in.
Step.
Full wall.
Gerald, step. Oh, sorry. Step here.
Oh yeah, do it hard.
Yeah. So we have this thing, 34. So you have another 24. Yeah, because the radius is 24, right?
24?
Yeah, 24. 1, 2, 4 here. 1, 2, 4 there. So we have this thing. So this is a box that we need to create the half circle. Are you watching now? Do you understand me?
Yes. We're trying to understand.
Okay, no, okay, right. Right. Can you see the half rectangle that I just created? Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't need to do the...
No, because it's quarter circle. That's all.
Oh, because this is only a...
Yeah, means why it's ghost tangent. It ghost tangent.
Bro, we only
This one I just properly. This one goes tangent. Because we already know the quadrant is there. Okay, we already know the quadrant is there. So that's 24.
Then we went to check up on her. She didn't respond.
Okay,
So
now-
she was sleeping. That's
Of course it's watching. What do you think?
Nobody's watching it. Why is it?
I'm watching.
No, the rest.
No, they're doing scientific.
Ah, yeah.
we'll watch it.
Okay, then so we have this thing. So we have this thing. So this one up until here. So this is the extended version. So here we have a thickness. Okay, here then only. So this just now I just tell you this location of the point. The location of this point is here.
I think those are supposed to be.
Okay, this one. Okay, it's like this. So this one is 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. So what is the wall thickness? 29, right?
29.
Okay, using the same scale, 1, 2, 3. 29 is close to 30, like that, like that. So,
Oh, yeah, those would be the
This one
best
you bring
memories
it down.
when we graduate.
okay, you bring it down, you bring it down. Okay, the thickness is 48, right? Use the same scale. 1,
Maybe you have to
We
do
will all graduate
2,
eventually, even if it's like after 8
3,
years.
4, 5, 48 is closer to 50. So you bring it like this. Okay? You have this one, right? So you have this, you bring it here. Yeah, to this point, bring it. This one. This one is not aligned. Okay, this one. This corner, bring it down.
No wonder you did this so strong.
Okay? 30 degree.
Things you actually go to the gym and I don't, which is scary.
You get me? Okay, this direction. That direction. So this one, then you can. This is 14. Okay.
我脑子学会了手围会。
Alright. I think this one is 14. Maybe I do. Okay, this actually is the thickness is 14. This is 10. 10, 20, right? I think 14 is supposed to be here. Maybe I do not do. It's a little bit thinner. Thinner. So this is supposed to be here.
So I can see in the front.
Smart.
So this one.
Ooh. Oh my god, it came out. How? How came out? It came out like that. How did it come out like that?
Pardon? What? Any problem? Do you understand?
Yeah,
or not?
no.
My brain says yes.
How did it come out like that?
That's how it looks like. No, don't have to be so with even mine is okay, eh?
No, this one is.
What?
The bounding box.
Huh?
It came out of the bounding box.
It's all approximate.
It looks precise.
If you don't want to do bounding walk, I think it kind of like
Looks good.
disoriented. Better to use bounding walk. My suggestion. Yeah, you are right, Miss Diamond. You are right. Quite not to that bounding walk, right?
No, it should
No.
go out. It should go out, right? Because this is the height.
Yeah.
And then this part, it should go out.
No. Actually, the bounding walk is maybe kind my doing. Actually, no. Actually, it's supposed to be here. Can you see my bounding box is here. My bounding box is. Okay, never mind. You get the picture, right, guys? Do you know how to do this? Okay.
Finish?
How do you do the circle?
Oh, the circle
Drill
one.
through hole. How do you do that?
The circle.
Then this one we have to do the one.
From the corner is 14, right? So you your own scale, the same scale. 10,
هلا حمل
20,
أنا حمل دايرة.
14 is here, right? Millimeter, right? 4H, everything 4H. You erase everything construction line. So you have the middle here. Make the
No, I don't want.
make the middle line.
I want to
Okay.
take a video.
And this one also at the middle, right? 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 48. Is somewhere middle is here. Right?
If someone can carry me,
The
then I
diameter
can
is
just
what?
do it from upstairs. I don't need to be in
19.
front.
19 it means 20. 10,
شورت نفس الكلام.
10.
I'm with your shop.
10, 10. Make a,
If
you know, you make the rectangle, or 10, 10, 20, 20, right? Okay, are you watching? Ellipse, how you do ellipse? This is a point, right? Properly, can you do this? Boleh kan? You can do this, right? Boleh. Boleh je, don't worry, okay? At the back, do we see at the back? I don't think so. If this is quite thick, if this is thin, if this is thin, you think there will be at the back. So how we do this? Can you see this one? Use this, make a projection, make a projection. Yeah, 30. This corner, all this quadrant, projection 30 degree, projection 30 degree, projection 30
Will that be
degree.
like
This
hidden
one?
line?
No, not hidden line. Only the visible line. Only the visible line. Transfer this thickness here. Can you see? About this one. Transfer the thickness there. So what you can see in here, just part of it. Part of the guideline, just maybe. Understand?
Oh.
Do I need to repeat? Okay, this one.
Yes.
Okay. This one. Okay. This one. Okay. You at the front you already create the ellipse, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This 4 point. Okay. You make construction line. Everything is 30 degree, right? 30 degree, 30 degree, 30 degree. So there the thickness you transfer it there. This one transfer it there because this one cannot be seen, right? But this one you have little bit here, right? Okay, also here, okay, sir, we have this, okay, this one also you can transfer there. You can see, you make a line, this one, this intersection, transfer that thing. So you mean these two line, these 2 points, you have it. Part of the ellipse is there. You see. You understand what I'm talking about?
Maybe. Maybe we understand, maybe not.
You've got shares here.
It's done.
Boleh this one, your turn. Yeah, that's all.
That's all.
What do you want to do more? You want to use studio on canvas?
And then you erase.
Yeah, here it is. No need. Because isometric we don't need